Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can fix critical error when in your Windows Start menu doesn't work. So you just can't open this menu, so you won't see it. So for fixing it you just need to click on Windows and click R. So now you write here msconfig .exe and just click OK or enter. So now wait after it will upload your msconfig. So here you can see it. So now you need to go to boot and in boot choose save boot. Just click apply and click OK. And now choose restart. So we will wait when our computer will restart and continue again. So now we continue with our Windows in safe mode. So after you log in into your account in safe mode on Windows, you just need, you can see here that it's safe mode because it's black, and now you just need, here you can see that this menu, start menu, works and no problems, no errors we haven't here. So now you just click again WinR and just msconfig exe. OK. So now you go to boot and just click here, unchoose save boot here and just click apply and click OK and click restart. So after now your system will restart in normal version and your start menu will work again without no errors. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and goodbye.